Oh! 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 Oh, dude, this is a sick one.
I'll go this way.
Yeah.
If you want to go that way.
I'll rip whatever. I might even rip this far right corridor.
POJ.
POJ. The movie. Yeah. I was thinking just riders ride of that. Oh. All right. Yeah, buddy. Oh. Little flat. Yeah. That was. Oh. Yeah. Oh.
Nice, boys.
Snow feels good.
Yeah, it does actually. Way better than yesterday.
Yeah, huh?
Dude, I hit some random cliff. I was not.
Yeah, there's a couple of those kind of golly things, eh?
It goes, I went this way, I saw this dropper, and then I just came over and it was just a full drop.
Oh, yeah. Dude, the snow is insane. I'm gonna semi-follow Spenny.
If you find a homie in the trees, it'll be good.
Yeah. Beautiful.
I think that's kind of.
Oh, yeah. That was sick.
Am I recording?
Yep. Am I recording?
Yeah. I think so.
What is it? Just, oh, yours beep now?
Am I recording?
Oh, we all recording?
We're recording?
Oh, head tap.
Kind of scary.
Waiting on one.
No, it'll be good. If you land left side.
One more each of us, and then we'll.
Backy, front 3, back 7.
Yeah.
Alright.
Do this one for
NST run.
T-Ricky. Oh, lost the goal. I got you. Full on. That was insane.
That's ill.
Yeah, Matt, I'm just waiting on one.
I had a catastrophe.
We had a catastrophe up here. Ah. Yeah.
Oh yeah, we'll keep it one at a time on this. Just keep some good spacing between each other. And if you guys see me stop somewhere, there's probably a reason. If you see a big steep roll that hasn't been touched, good chance it's gonna slide. So just keep that in mind, right?
Yeah.
Don't go hammering on it. Don't go or like if
Yeah.
you guys know the backcountry, you know how that shit works. But
Yep. Morgana. Yeah. Oh! That's a decent size. Oh gosh. Shit, drop it. I gotta drop, sorry. Oh! Oh! Flatty. I didn't even see that. I just looked back and I heard it.
Brando, you should come in through these trees and then go down there.
I hear you keep yelling and all that.
Oh! Oh! How's this little hit?
Whoa, hello, popper.
That thing was way flatter than I thought.
Oh yeah, got that. My GoPro's looking good.
Oh!
I was gonna tell you, the deeper you go, the better you're landing.
Yeah, that was a lot more aggressive than I thought. I was charging right there. I'm gonna see if I eat shit right here. Drop it. My run's gonna be so much sicker than.
Be way better, dude.
Not a chance.
Alright, dude.
Compare the POV clips later.
Yeah, I weigh more, dude. My power turns are bigger.
My patterns
I
are
got a
deeper.
bigger stress bulb, dude.
Well, after you then. Stress bulb.
Get it, Brando. You need the clip.
T to B, baby.
P to B, brother.
Pardon me? Oh yeah, buddy.
Oh! I have no idea. Oh yeah. Oh, that was a sick hit you put in there.
Is that a little hit?
Yeah,
Sweet, eh?
that one was fun.
Yeah.